Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change Instagram bio to gamer, just like that. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then right here tap at your profile picture to open up the profile, and then hit right here at three lines icon and select settings. On settings select account, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap at switch to professional account, just like that. Then hit continue all the time until it moves you to what best describes you, and then you should just select a gamer in that list, and then make sure that display on profile option toggled on. After that you can hit add done, next, and that's it. Now it says gamer just under your username, and any Instagram user that opens up your profile will see it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.